My name is Robina Cohen, and I've been living here 23 years. This is my first home. I have never owned any property before, and I always wanted to be a homeowner. I'm retired now, and I had a little things that I had to do, but I could not afford to do them, but I was going to try to work on them a little at a time. So when they called me and told me I had been chosen, I said, woo, thank you, Lord, thank you. I'm so happy.
Housing is so important, and with what we do, one of the things that we're really doing for folks, especially when we're helping older folks or people with disabilities, is keeping them in their homes and allowing them to age in place or stay in their homes so that they don't have to go to a care facility or a retirement home or something like that and leave their community.
They're working on that in the back now, and the gutters, they already fixed that. The gutters are back secure, the wood was all rotten.
Yeah,
they sistered some new 2x6s in, so now they got something solid to secure the gutters too.
Awesome.
Putting a team together, at our company has always been very easy. You always have a large amount of people that are really willing to answer the call to volunteer whenever it rings. And rebuilding together in organizations like that really give our employees an outlet to do that. We put in a new screen door on the back porch. Her side door was dragging and out of plumb a lot, so we fixed up that door so it would close correctly. It's going to make her feel more comfortable. It's going to make her feel safer in her own home. I mean, the ceiling that was coming down in her bedroom, I know if I was laying under that at night, I probably wouldn't feel too comfortable.
I didn't know nothing like this even existed, and I'm very thankful.